Hello and welcome to Travels with Sheila. And as it turns out, loving the trees. They did sound content, didn't they? This was near the outset of our walk along the beach today, Saturday, the 24th of January in Vancouver. And I do feel for those of you who are in the cold, not to worry, we will get our rain again soon. But we have had a gorgeous stretch of weather with, if you've been watching my other stories, we've had some foggy mornings that have burned away beautifully under clear blue skies. And we've gone from the eagles in the trees, and soon you'll see we still have people playing winter beach volleyball. Kids Beach, also known as Kitsilano Beach, is home to tournaments and simply fun casual volleyball. Some Canada geese hitting the water and some locals hitting this spot above Kids Pool, which is really popular. Now we have an actual licensed restaurant there.